Ki khubor ka Batesi TV.
Ka umdi basnyam bak penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Rangbashnong jongka Bhangar Par, West Garo Hills, Motior Hussain, Lakeno bau Tahir Ali, Ubray Kurim, jongka Secretary ka Village Employment Council, ka Samina Khatun, Bad Majibor Ali, Ubray Rangbashnong jongka Pabo Mari, kila lumpisa bean kipat ba, ban penyo ke skim Shnaying Beduk, lani ka PMAYG scheme. Ha kajinga keran bagi lapatai kubor Motior Lakeno bau Tahir Ali lalum pisa bean hadu hajar naki patba kibadai banyo jing mentoy nak skim PMAYG scheme Motior Lakam bahadu menta kidan omduna ya kan lai prangot kiri patba kibla siu ya ka pisa syaka kenhun Tahir Ali bat Majibor Ali namar ka jingting yo bagi syak pendu ya ka skim Shnaying Beduk ulay thu syu hadin bo ulay pediang ya ka jing ujor naki patba jok Snong Bhangar Par halor ka jing lum pisa ulalej ban ujor syaka office jong block development officer ka dem dema CNRD block hakakat pratrik urempang araja pesan Henry hadu mentah ka office kampat le persya halor kini ke jing ujor jong Motior Lakeno bahadien ka jing ujor syak office jong video ka kenhun jong Tahir Ali bat Majibor Ali ki la thombor ya hajan ka Bhangar Par Lower Primary School bat nalor kata Lakeno syusyu bagi dan sah nyongut kibriu bala itu kerteng kum Imanul Islam Meser Ali Gulam Hussein Majibur Rahman Tofish Udin Ahmed Alam bat Samsul Huk kibala thombor ya bat ya kipai ba kibala syada wa pisa halor kini jingja hakan riu tre uyayong arja pesan Motior lalej ujor dak ejahar ha police outpost bogular bitha persya ya ki nyongot bat keno ru ba kini kidang yai beteng bandawa pisa bat keno ru bakila berngam bakin salek dak peteng ya kinu kibam ai pisa.
Number 1, the Awas Plus 2024 PMAYG scheme provide for the allocation of houses to job card holder in the village of Amarpar and Nilpara area. As per the video notification that 22nd January 2025, the collection of any money from beneficiaries under the scheme is strictly illegal. Upon receiving credible information that money was being illegally collected from job card holder in connection with this scheme, that's why a formal complaint was submitted to the BDO on 18 March 2025. The complaint was specifically made against Mr. Tahir Ali, husband of BSc Secretary Samina Khatun, and Mr. Mojibo, headman of Pabumari village, for their involvement in this unauthorized collection. Despite the complaint, no appropriate action was taken by the concerned authorities. Following the complaint, I was physically attacked by companion of Tahir Ali and Mojibur Ali. The attack took place near Bhangarpar LP School, Bhangarpar Government LP School, by the site of the PW Road in Bhangarpar village. A total of people were involved in this attack are 7. A media person was also present during the incident, and statements were taken from those involved. Then, people without my knowledge or consent. During the incident, 7 or 8 people were approached on the PWD road and asked whether they had paid money for the inclusion of their name in the scheme. Those who admitted that they had indeed paid money were assaulted by the attackers. Those who admitted that they had indeed paid money were assaulted by the attackers. The entire incident, including the interviews and the physical attack, was recorded on video. And these video clips and recordings are with me as evidence. Despite the seriousness of the situation, no update or progress have been made regarding the inquiry, and we are all still waiting appropriate action. I would like to distribute copies of all related complaints and supporting documents to the media personnel present here for your reference and reporting. 2 FIR have been registered. One against the illegal collection of money from job card holders under the Awas Plus 2024 PMAYG Plus scheme. The other against the physical attack on me at Bangarpar. The copies of FIR against the illegal collection of money from job card holders under the Awas Plus 2024 PMAYG scheme was provided to the Deputy Commissioner and ASP of Tura. And the copy of FIR file against the attack on me was forwarded to the Boglarbeeta Police Outforce.
कॉल में जा रहा है तो रास्ते में देखे एक रिपोर्टर आया तो उधर में बहुत आदमी तो हम बोला क्या हो रहा है वो तो कंप्लेन हुआ उसमें जो टका लिया PMAYG का उसके लिए रिपोर्टर आया तो हम उस टाइम में थोड़ा उधर में रुका है बाद में बोला रिपोर्टर बोला तो आप कुछ बोलेगा हाँ हम तो सर बोलेगा सर तो हम बोला नहीं सर तो सच में 2000 का एक जियो टैग करने के लिए 2000 लिया कि 2000 लिया अगर 2000 नहीं देने से जियो टैग भी नहीं करता है सिर्फ हमें यही बोला बाद में ऐसे मारपीट किया हमको सर इधर में मारा है और इधर 3 आदमी हमको मारा है सर और गाँवरा को मारा है।
आप पहचान था ये लोग को?
जी मैडम तो हम भी FIR किया मैडम 6 अप्रैल 11 बजे 11:30 बजे में से
पुलिस इन लोग को
पुलिस के हम फ़ोन किया सर हम फ़ोन किया तो सर आप जल्दी आइए बांगरपुर गाँव स्कूल में मारपीट हो रहा है हमको भी मार रहे हैं और गाँव बुरा को भी मार रहे हैं और एक आदमी को भी मार रहा है तो हमको 3 आदमी मारा है फर्स्ट आदमी मेसर अली तो सेकेंड हलो शमसुल हक थर्ड हलो आसमद अली।